spruce it up a little bit and make, what am I making?
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, That Chocolate Vegan with me, Erin Wells, and you read that title correctly. Today we're making vegan hamburger helper. Let's get started. All right, of course it can't be hamburger helper without the hamburger, so I'm gonna put a little oil in the pan. Now add in your meatless crumbles. I'm just gonna season our crumbles with steak seasoning. Just going around the pan, not going crazy, just need a little hint of the meat taste. I'm going to remove this from the heat, and now we're going to make our cheese sauce. 1 cup almond milk, 1 whole bag of vegan cheese, 1 whole container of vegan cream cheese. Now if you saw my baked mac and cheese video, this is pretty much the exact same thing, just larger quantities, but same thing. 1/2 teaspoon of chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne. Now we mix. Oh, it smells so good. Y'all, you can't even see in there. Get in there. Well, it don't look good right now.
All right, back up.
Ooh, I would have been so upset. I almost forgot the 2 tablespoons of nutritional yeast.
That is not in focus.
I'm gonna taste this sauce, see if I like it. That's good right there. All right, now we're ready to add back in our beefless crumbles. Add in our pasta, and this is your basic hamburger helper. Do 1, 2, 3. Let's start with 4 cups of cooked pasta. All right, let's give this a little taste. This is bomb, y'all, but it's too easy. Let's spruce it up a little bit and make chili mac. In the same pot, let's add 1/4 cup of rotel and 1/4 cup of chili beans, 1 teaspoon of cumin, 1 teaspoon chili powder, 1 teaspoon onion powder, and 1 teaspoon garlic powder. Let's mix. She has gotten thick, y'all, so I'm gonna add a little bit of milk to the pan to thin her out a little bit. Unless you like this consistency, then that's fine, but I want to thin her out just a bit. I'm gonna add in 1/4 cup of milk. Make that 1/2 cup of milk. Alright guys, I like it as is, but I just want to punch up the chili flavor some more, so let's do another 1/4 cup of rotel and another 1/4 cup of beans. Yum. Also gonna dash a little bit more chili powder, just a little dash, and a little bit more cumin, another little dash. Last but not least, hit them with the salt. Just go around the pan. Around the pan. I'm gonna make 4 trips around the pan. Okay. Again, you see how thick the pasta got? So if you don't like the thickness, you can always add almond milk, taste and season as you go along. But I think I'm okay with this. I think I'm okay with her thickness. She can be thick. It's 2019. Ooh, ooh. Ooh, hit it with the slow motion. Ow. Alright guys, I am joined here by
Anika
and
Mike.
Yes, we got sound on for Mike this time. Y'all know I had to bring him back. Cause last time the audio is plugged in, right? We in there. Alright, so they gonna eat because that's all they come over here for.
Tastes like auntie house.
Yeah. It's like the dorm days at ASU.
Mm-hmm. Yes. And then the other side is just the chili mac with the whatever you put in the chili.
Oh yeah. Point.
Ain't no difference.
Not one.
That's what I'm talking about. Yeah. So we got another successful meal. Y'all, they still going. They quiet.
It tastes like the box with the glove on.
I tried to replicate the box with the glove on it as much as possible.
You did.
Mm-hmm.
I just couldn't read. Have y'all read that box?
You ain't comment.
Bye.
On point.
As always, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe down below, and I'll see you next time. Peace.